Do you struggle with cakey makeup that feels heavy and looks unnatural? Whether you are doing your own makeup or working with clients, this video will help you to fix that and keeping your makeup looking flawless and natural. So let's dive in. Skincare prep is key. As I always say, the key to a great makeup is a well-prepped skin. Skincare is the foundation. Cleaning, moisturizing, priming create the smooth base and allows makeup to sit beautifully. Skipping these steps, that's where the cakey makeup starts. Here are few essential tips. Always start with cleaning your skin by removing oil or any kind of dirt before moisturization. Hydration is the key. Start with a serum if you have a dry skin or if you want to achieve a dewy skin makeup, followed by a moisturizer depending upon your skin type. Primer is crucial. So depending on the makeup finish you want, you can go for matte, dewy or natural finish. So if you're looking for doing a matte skin finish, then you can go for a matte primer. If you want to achieve a natural finish look, then you can go for a hydrating primer. And if you want to go for a dewy makeup look, then you can opt for a illuminating primer along with hydrating primer. And under eye cream. This helps under eye area to be hydrated and that prevent cakiness. Don't forget your lip. Use a lip balm so that your lips are crack free and well moisturized before you apply a lipstick. Less is more. The right application technique. One of the biggest mistakes that lead to cakey makeup is applying too much of product at once. The key, thin layers. Build up coverage gradually and always blend well. Here are few essential tips that you can keep in mind. Apply a thin layer of corrector instead of loading with concealer. Avoid applying foundation directly onto your skin. Instead, take a small amount on your brush and work it on in a thin layers. Use a stippling brush for sheer to medium coverage and a damp beauty blender for a medium to buildable coverage. For concealer, don't swipe it on your skin directly. Instead, take a little amount of product on your fluffy brush and buff it out to the part you need coverage, fixing dry, patchy or flaky areas. Sometimes makeup clings with dry patches and it makes skin looks uneven. Instead of layering more products, you can try these tips. Apply a thin layer of moisturizer on the dry patch and gently blend it in. If the patch still looks flaky, then use a Q-tip or a cotton pad to remove the foundation from that part. Re-moisturize and apply a little amount of foundation on that area to blend it all together. Setting powder and spray the right way. Setting your makeup correctly makes all the differences. Here are the few tips that you can go for. If you want to achieve dewy or natural finish look, then powder only the under eye area and side of the nose. And whatever powder left on your brush, use that to tap on your chin and forehead. Be mindful of the amount of product you are using. Over powdering can make your makeup looks heavy. Personally, I don't like to use setting spray or any kind of mist on the face, but if you do, a light mist can blend everything together beautifully. These simple tricks will help you to achieve flawless and natural finish makeup every time. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe me and share this video with your friends. And yes, don't forget to like this video too. I will see you on my next video.